What is up guys, it's Mr. Fantastic here, and today I bring you guys some very exciting news. The new design, new notch, new colors and a ton of new features of the iPhone 13 or 12s, whatever Apple calls it, and the iPhone SE 3 with an edge-to-edge hole punch display, so stick till the end, you really don't want to miss out. First things first, the front glass of the iPhone 13s has been leaked, showcasing a new smaller notch, so it is less wider rather than less taller like John Prosser suggested a few weeks back. The earpiece of it has been pushed all the way to the top instead of being in the middle, and sources suggest that the audio quality from the earpiece will also be better. As of the notch, I think it looks better, but yeah, I really hope that they get rid of that notch as soon as possible because it still looks very outdated as compared to the competition. And like I've mentioned numerous times in my previous videos, 120Hz is definitely happening on the 2021 iPhones, and there are going to be LTPO panels with variable refresh rate, so not only will they be smoother but also very efficient. We will also see always on display on the new iPhones, which took way too long to come, but it's finally here. And also the TouchID is making a comeback, which is a blessing because Face ID and Face Mask don't get along pretty well. But it will be under the display this time around and will be pretty fast, so that's pretty good. As of the camera design, it will be slightly changed and it won't be like a flat glass like we've heard from some rumors. The camera lenses will still be exposed a little bit, but they will almost be flush with that camera module. And the camera module will be thinner, so it won't rock much on a flat surface, which is a great thing. Also, the camera module and sensors will be the same on the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max, so the camera results from both of them will be pretty similar. The camera stabilization will also be better with software, so the cameras will be more stable and you will have more clearer photos even if you shake your hand a little bit, and the videos will also be more stabilized. The portrait mode will also be better and improved. It will enhance it based on the data from LiDAR sensor and the cameras. The edge detection will also be much better, and we will also see portrait video with background blur, which I'm really looking forward to. And some sources suggest that there will be LiDAR on all the iPhone 13 models, so it will also be on the iPhone 13 and 13 mini, but there is some contradiction between sources. Some say that it will be on all models, some say that it'll still be exclusive to the Pro models, but we'll see. Also, there's an exciting news. This year's iPhone 13 Pros will have a matte black color, so instead of being gray, it will actually be black, and I think it'll look pretty darn good. I think it'll be inspired from the S21 Ultra's Phantom Black, which looks sick. And we might also see a bronze pastel orange color thing. I have mixed opinions on it. It may look pretty good, but it may or may not happen. Plus, the stainless steel frames coating will be better and will catch less smudges and fingerprints, so it will be hell a lot better than the shiny mirror finish on the iPhone 12 Pro sides, which is just a fingerprint magnet, and I honestly still don't know why Apple did it, so I'm glad Apple is improving it. Also, I'm hearing reports that the Lightning port will stay this year. Sadly, there is still no plans for Type-C. They will still go portless, but maybe next year. The batteries inside them will be slightly bigger, which is much needed since they will have 120Hz, which drains a lot of battery. There will also be a 1TB storage option, so for the people who want a lot of storage and don't want their pictures in the iCloud, it's a great option, but it will definitely cost a fortune. As of the iPhone SE 3, no, I'm not talking about the one I made a video a few weeks back, which is delayed and will come next year. I'm talking about the iPhone SE 3, which will come in 2023, and apparently a strong source suggests that it will have an edge-to-edge display with a hole punch in the middle, which aligns with the reports that the 2022 iPhones will have hole punch displays. So I think it's very likely, and there will possibly be a side-mounted fingerprint scanner or maybe an in-display fingerprint scanner, and I honestly think that it will be a banger and it will sell a lot, but for now it's very far ahead, so we'll see. And that's it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe for more of these videos, and press that bell icon, and I will catch you guys in the next video.